is the Monkey Business Chill Bill Refrigerator Deodorizer. This was gifted to us by the brand in exchange for this video. So it has this penguin design. It's so cute. It's black and white. It's very easy to use. All you have to do is just add the baking soda inside. You just fill this one up and now you can place this one in the refrigerator. It's lightweight. It's easy to just pour the baking soda. And it's a cute gift to your family and friends. Let me show you inside. So this is what it looks like inside your refrigerator. It doesn't take so much space. So it's easy to just put it on different side. So this is the Monkey Business Chill Bill.